Hi guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen.
Yay!
I've got a great summer recipe for you today. A lot of you have been asking for like picnicky recipes.
This is so picnicky.
This is so picnicky, and this just happens to be my absolute hands down favorite sandwich as a little kid growing up. If I got this in my lunchbox, I probably would have peed in a diaper. Amazing.
What the hell?
If I was wearing one.
I was gonna say, you were still wearing a diaper in school? Okay.
Anyhow, it's for chicken salad sandwich.
Yeah.
But by chicken, I mean soy curl chicken.
Woo!
So, a lot of you probably may have never heard of this before, but this is made from soy. It is just soy that is cooked. They stir it, it forms into these curls, and they dehydrate it. And it's non-GMO. It's very economical. I buy this directly from the Butler Foods company. You
In a
can also
giant...
buy it on Amazon. Yeah, I buy a 12-pound
giant Santa
bag.
sack.
It's a huge sack. I think I've showed you my sack before.
No!
But anyhow, it lasts a long time because it's completely dry. So it's water and air that spoil things. This has no water in it. So what we need to first do is reconstitute it. And by the way, I'll leave a link to the website where I buy it from if you guys are interested. It is much cheaper than buying it from Amazon. Trust me, it's much cheaper. And they ship very quickly. So this needs some water in it so that it's a soft, fluffy chicken pillow. So I've got 2 cups of warm water here. And I don't know about you guys, but I really like this not spawn broth base and seasoning in chicken flavor. I think it's a very believable chicken flavor, so that I like to use this one a lot for soups and reconstituting my soy curls. This one tastes amazing. You need a little bit more than regular bouillon.
Oh, it smells good.
Doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So you have to use 2 level teaspoons per cup, so I put 4 in there. I'm just gonna give it a little mix. And we're just gonna dump our soy curls in there and let them soak in all of the chickeny goodness for 10 to 15 minutes. All right, guys, these have been soaking. They have soakened up all of the goodness. So now what we need to do is wring them out because we don't want these to be soggy. Yeah, that is so satisfying for some reason. I don't know why.
That's weird.
Right? We're going to get all of the liquid out as much as we can. As much as we just put it in, we're going to squeeze it out.
But now it's got all the flavor in there.
Right. I'm going to squeeze it some more with some paper towels. You can use a clean tea towel if you want, if you prefer. Oh, it looks like we
You did a pretty good job.
pretty good. Just a little bit. Put the death grip on it. That's pretty good. Alright, so now we're going to chop these up. So, I don't know about you guys, but I like mine like practically shredded. So, I'm just going to let it happen here. I'm going to get some natural textures here. So, I'm just going to go through the whole thing. I would do it like in a food processor, but I think it would be too much. It would be like too small and not very natural. So I'm just going to try and do it as naturally as possible. Alright, that took a couple of minutes, but you know what? I'm going to slop it up because it's totally worth it.
You're dumping!
Dumpies! Alright. Beautiful. Alright, so you can see nice sized pieces. Don't worry if you still got a few oddballs in there. Hey, they make the world go around, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so to this, I'm going to add some beautiful chopped celery. Don't worry if you don't like celery, you could totally leave it out. Same thing with pickle. If you don't like pickle, you could totally leave it out. I just got some spring onions from my garden that came up all on their own from last year's plants, so that was like a bonus. Love this. This adds whole nother level. So, and it's going to give it delicious crunch. Yes, thank you.
Cleanup crew.
Yep. So, now we're going to make the dressing for this because this is the base. Now we're going to put the lovely velvety goodness into it. First, I like to give it a little shot of vinegar. just because it gives a whole nother level. You know, you have the velvety goodness of the mayo. You want a little bit of a bite from the vinegar. And I'm using a beautiful white wine Prosecco vinegar. Delicious. Nice high quality vinegar. Alright, so here's the dressing. We've got about a half a cup of vegan mayo. I've got a tablespoon of my favorite coarsely ground mustard with a little shot of horseradish in it.
Oh yeah.
It comes in the mustard. I like that. I'm also going to add a few cranks of pepper because I really like pepper. And the chicken is pretty salty already from the bouillon, so I'm just going to add about a quarter of a teaspoon of Himalayan sea salt. So we're just going to give this a mix. And then we're going to scoop this in here. We're going to marry these now. Beautiful, delicious, creamy dressing. Do you take crunchy, crispy, refreshing chicken salad?
Why are you so obsessed with food marrying?
Because that's how they make food delicious babies.
Is this how you played with your toys when you were a kid?
No. That's a whole nother story. I was a weird kid.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, do you get the smell?
Mm-hmm.
You could smell that vinegar. You could smell the pickle.
Everything.
Yeah. It's beautiful. If you like your chicken salad wetter than this, you know, because I didn't use that much mayo, because mayo is kind of just like empty calories, feel free to add more mayo. No biggie. You're not going to hurt anyone. So I'm just going to make sure this is completely mixed and let this sit in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes. I want it, I really want the chicken to soak in all of that horseradish and mustard and vinegar, and it'll be ready for lunch. Right.
What? What? Okay. That is beautiful.
Yes, just...
I don't know how to love him. Yes, I'm getting sucked back into Jesus Christ Superstar.
Are you?
Yes, it's so good. Okay.
Would John Legend eat this?
I think so.
Okay.
Would Chrissy Teigen make this for him?
I'd hope
Hashtag
so.
cooking for Jesus. I feel like half of this is going to end up in my face.
Maybe.
Oh, hell yeah.
Jesus.
Ah, that is so good.
It's been a long time.
That was really, really
Long
good.
time coming.
And fun fact, this is
Yeah.
actually my, like, breakfast lunch for today, so
Yeah.
I am literally going to pick this up and walk away with it. Isn't that fun?
Yeah, I love it. I just had a little morsel, and I have to say, I was blown away. It's been a long time since I had chicken salad. Look, she's even
I'm just taking
that.
everything that I'm owed.
And just when you said, legit, she just said, you're putting too much on there, and now
I
she's
said
claiming it all.
It is a lot. No, it's good. It's really, really good. That's not too much.
Okay.
It just looked
Well,
like
if you want more, it's right
it
there.
was just a lot for a tiny face. You know?
I know. So guys, I hope you give it a try. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Take it on a picnic this summer. You won't be upset. Believe me, you won't be disappointed. So, until next time, much love.